Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make a cotton face scrubber. We're going to start out by making a magic circle. To make a magic circle, hold your hand like this, grab the tail of your yarn and go across your hand. Hold that tail in place with your thumb. Then you'll wrap it around these 3 fingers here, making an X. Hold all of that in place with your thumb, grab your crochet hook, go under this first loop here, and then grab that piece of yarn and come around. Turn everything towards you. And then do a little slip stitch here. That kind of just closes your circle there. And then I make sure my tail of my yarn is outside the circle. And you can pull on this tail of yarn and tighten that circle up. Now we're going to put 8 single crochets into this circle. Insert your hook in the circle, yarn over, go back through the circle, yarn over, and make your single crochet. Now we'll make our next one. There's number 2. Three. And you can tighten up this circle whenever you need to. You just don't want to get it too small where you can't fit any more single crochets in there. It helps me control the tension on this circle by kind of putting my fingers in there, and this pulls that back, keeping this tight. It makes it easier to work into that circle. Let's do another single crochet. I'll go really slow this time so you can kind of see how I control the tension. I hold the yarn on my hook here, go into the circle, yarn over, I pull back through, yarn over, and pull through both loops. I'll show you again. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So place 3 more single crochets in the magic circle and I'll meet you around at the end. Now you should have 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to tighten up this circle. Hold your single crochets here and then just pull on this tail of yarn. For this pattern, we're going to be working in a continuous round, so that means we won't be slip stitching at the end of each round and then doing a chain. We're just going to go on to the next round. Round 2 is an increase round, so we'll be placing 2 half double crochets in each of the 8 stitches. For half double crochet, you'll yarn over first and then work into that stitch. Yarn over again, pulling back through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. When working in rounds, I always keep a safety pin so I can mark what my first stitch was in that round. So place a safety pin through the top of that stitch and then work a half double crochet in that same stitch again. So we have 2 in that first stitch there, and now place 2 in the second stitch. There's 1 and 2. So continue putting 2 half double crochets in each of these remaining stitches, and I'll meet you back around at the end. So now you should have 16 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. For the next round, we're going to do 2 single crochets in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next, and keep alternating that around. Let's remove our stitch marker here. Work our first single crochet. Let's put our stitch marker back. Put another single crochet in that same stitch. And then 1 single crochet in the next. Two single crochets in the next. There's 1 and 2, and then 1 single crochet in the next. Keep alternating that, and I'll meet you back around at the end here. I just finished my last single crochet, so at this point you should have 24 single crochets around. For the next round, we're going to be placing 2 half double crochets in the first stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next, and 1 half double crochet in the next. So let's remove our stitch marker here. Half double crochet, let's put our stitch marker back. Put another half double crochet in that same stitch. Half double once in the next. Half double once in the next. At this point, I go back and make sure I'm getting the pattern right. So we did 2 in the first, 1, 1. So now we'll do 2 in the next. There's 1, there's 2, and then 1 in each of the next. 1 and 1. Let's check again. 2, 1, 1. So keep repeating that, and I'll meet you back around at the end. I'm back around at the end here. You should have a total of 32 stitches. For the next round, we're just going to be placing 1 single crochet in each stitch. Let's remove our stitch marker. Place a single crochet. Put the stitch marker back in and continue to single crochet around. Continue placing your single crochets and I'll meet you at the end. Once again, you should have 32 stitches around here. This is about the size that I like my face scrubbers. If you want yours bigger, just keep repeating that last round until you reach your desired size. We can close this circle here by pulling on the tail. See how that closed that up? So now I'll remove my stitch marker and fasten off. To fasten off, I just slip stitch into this next stitch here. And then yarn over and pull some of that through there. And then grab my scissors and cut my yarn. And then just pull that tight. So then you'll just weave in your ends. And there's your round face scrubber. This is the yarn that I used. It's the Bernat cotton. This is one of my favorite cottons to use. And they offer a lot of really pretty colors. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment on this video and I will get back to you. Thank you for watching.